Let's talk a little bit about the guessing penalty. You may not have heard of this before. It's probably because it's unique to the SAT. ETS writers take away a fraction of a point every time you get a question wrong. This is in order to ensure that randomly guessing on the test doesn't accidentally reward you with points. Now, it's a little bit complicated, but stay with me. Think of it as gambling, okay? For example, let's say that you got $1 every time you got a question right, and you got 25 cents taken away every time you got a question wrong. Just for the sake of this example, let's pretend all the A's are right, all the B's, C's, and D's, and E's are wrong. Now, what happens at the end of the test when you add this up? Well, you end up with no money, and your score doesn't change. Now, what happens if you can take away E? Let's say you don't have to worry about E anymore. All you're guessing is in between A, B, C, and D. Well, what do you end up with every single question? What's $1 minus 75 cents? You're up 25 cents. It may not sound like a lot, it's just one question, but when you add these 25 cents up, by the end of the test, you've got a lot of money. Well, like I said, it's just an example. You're not really going to get cash for the SAT, but it proves a point. The point is, cross one off, take a guess. Cross two off, take another guess. Cross three off, take a guess. Bottom line is, every single time you can cross off an answer choice, it's money in the bank.